going to teach my cousin. By the way, my name is Rica Sabanibres and
My name is Joshua L. Manatad, and my grade is grade 5 Aguinaldo.
so now I'm going to teach about the operations of integers. Are you ready to learn?
Yes, we are ready!
So now, habang doon, saan pag-add using the, what is this? Color paper. No, paper daw. So na-wonder mo nga no, black or red? Na, black or red. It's because numbers man, about numbers. The idea, what is your idea? Red or black? Wala. So ang red, mo na represents sa negative. Asa na negative? Example sa negative numbers. Negative 1. Very good! Ang black, asa man yung black? Negative man ang red. So asa man ang black? Negative. So black, okay. So, ang black is flash.
Negative 7.
Ganong negative 7 man?
Kaya kanang red o black nagtungod man, wala na ni silang duha.
Yes, very good. Minus man? Ito may button.
Minus. Kanay bali na. Kanay silang tulo.
So pila may answer?
Positive 9.
Positive?
9.
9 kay?
Plus ni silang tanan.
Very good.
1.
Ano man nga 1?
Negative 1.
Yes, very good. Ganong negative 1 man?
Kanay kay red o black man eh. Wala na ni silang duha.
Yes, very good. Unsa may buhaton sa duha? Minus man.
Divide.
So pila answer?
Positive 2.
Kay, anong positive 2 man?
Kaya kanay silang duha, mawa.
Yes, very good. Minus man?
Negative 4.
Yes, very good. Negative 4. Pila answer?
Positive 8.
Yes, very good. Minus. Go. Pila answer?
Negative 2.
Yes, very good. Positive 4. Minus. Positive 1. Minus. Positive 1. Minus. Pila answer?
Positive 3.
Yes, very good.
Yes, come on ako.
1. Pila answer?
Negative 1.
Very good.
Yay, come on ako.
Positive 5 minus negative 2. Minus negative 2. Pila answer?
Positive 7.
Very good. Answer?
Positive 5.
Yes, very good.
Yay, come on ako. Good morning everyone. My name is Joshua L. Manatad. Nakasabot na ako sa addition of integers gamit ang mga paper tiles. Ang ahong na-learn gamit ang paper tiles. Kung negative o positive, mawala sila. Minus ang giingon sa ma-change ang ubos. Kung positive ang giingon, dili na. This is my reward. Thank you.